First of all, I'm going to explain about the electrical cable. Electrical cable is an assembly of one or more wires which is insulated and used for transmission of electrical power or signals. Sometimes, based on the drawing, it is needed to show the wires of a cable separately and where the wires coming together or to bring together to create a single cable. As you see in the help of AutoCAD Electrical, in such instances, the fan-in source and fan-out destination can be used. In this part, you can see the wires that come together and form a cable. In the end of the cable, you can see the similar wires that comes out from the cable and is drawn in the middle of this sketch, which is the cable. So this is obvious that the fan-in, fan-out tool makes it possible to convert multiple wires into the single line. Here I intend to define these three wires as source signals and the other wires want to be as the destination signals. For example, this wire as a source and the other one as a destination. First of all, you need to add source markers. To do so, the fan-in source tool can be used. In order to choose this tool, from the Schematic tab in the Insert Wires Wire Numbers panel, select the fan-in source from the Signal Arrows drop-down. In this section, you have to choose the style of the source marker from the list, and you can select the desired one. Next, it is needed to choose the orientation for the source marker from the wire connection orientation area. You can select your desired orientation based on your requirements. After that, you will be requested in the command line to select the insertion point on the wire. Click on the insertion point and the signal source code dialog box will be shown for you. Enter a value in the code edit box. And also you can write a desired description. Then choose the OK button. At this time, the source destination signal markers dialog box will be displayed. These options can be used to insert matching destination marker. If you choose No button, the matching destination marker will not be inserted. The second option, No Don't Ask button, when you select this button, after each source marker is inserted, you will not be requested for inserting the matching destination marker. If you want to insert the matching destination, after the source marker, select the Yes button. If you don't want to be asked to insert the matching destination or not, select the Yes, Don't Ask button. In this case, the matching destination markers will be added for every source automatically. Here I want to select Yes button because I need to insert the destination marker exactly after inserting source destination. After doing that, the source destination signal markers dialog box will be shown for another time. Here you are asked to select the signal destination to choose the desired one. In the next step, you will be prompted to specify insertion point. This is the destination point and you need to select the wire which acts as a destination or the point that wires enter it. So I click on it, and then for another time you will be asked to specify the insertion point. Here it is clear that the source wire is linked to the destination one. The wire number and the description of single source is applied to destination wire. After defining the signal destination for another time, you will be asked to specify the insertion point in the command line. This command is for specifying the signal source. So I choose the other wire, then the signal source code will be opened for me. Therefore, I need to enter the desired code and description. And in the next step, this dialog box will be displayed. In this part, because I want to insert the destination right after defining source, I need to choose Yes button. So in the next step, I will be asked to define the style and orientation in this dialog box. After doing that in the command line, I will be asked to specify the insertion point for destination signal. So I click on the wire that I want to be as a destination. As you see in the command line, you are asked to specify the insertion point. That means the procedure is being repeated and will be continued until you press escape. And this part, because I need to define the other wires as a source and the destination signals, so I repeat it. And I do the previous steps for another time. Finally, by pressing escape, you can exit the command.